Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. So children, have you ever wondered of different things that happen with us or around us? So let's talk about everyday science in this chapter. Okay, it may be different experiences of ours also. Like, let's begin. Why do we blink our eyes? So our eyes, they produce a lubricant which protects them from drying. The main function of blinking is to spread the lubricant in the eyes through eyelids and eyelashes. It also protects the eyes from exposure to excess light and foreign bodies. So, lubricant means a fluid that is there in our eyes, okay, which protects them from getting dry. And when we close our eyes, the eyelids and eyelashes, they spread that lubricant in our eyes and they protect the eyes from exposure to excess light and also from foreign bodies. Why can't we tickle ourselves? Have you ever tried doing this? Have you ever tried tickling yourself? When we are tickled by someone else, we laugh because that ticklish feeling sends us to a state of panic. We most likely were not expecting that person to sneak up behind us and tickle our side. Okay, when we try to tickle ourselves, we are in complete control of the situation. There is no need to get tensed and therefore there is no reaction. So you react only when someone does an action on you, right? So when someone does the action of tickling, you react. But when you're trying to do that action on yourself, will you react? No, because you are mentally prepared for it. Alright? Okay, the next one. Why do stars twinkle? The light from the stars travel through different layers of space of varying densities. Therefore, the light deviates from the original path. Okay? So, because of the varying densities which are there in the atmosphere, they deviate from their path. Okay? Further, these layers are not stationary. Okay, they are not stable, they are not in one place. That is, they keep on moving. This continuous disturbance makes the light of the stars inconsistent and that's why, okay, they appear to twinkle. Why do we get goosebumps? Have you ever experienced that? Okay, what are goosebumps? When the hair endings on our skin rise up, they are called goosebumps. When we feel very scared, emotional or cold, we get goosebumps. Scientists explain that millions of years ago, human beings were hairier, just like other animals. Just as a cat fluffs up when it is scared, our hair rose up in response to fear and cold. So these goosebumps are remnants from the time when we were hairier. So earlier we had a lot of hair on our body, okay. So that is when they used to feel that we were like more or less, as they say, that our ancestors were the apes. So that is what is being told to us. So that is how we have evolved. Okay, and according to the scientists, okay, because human beings were hairier just like animals, okay. So the way the cat fluffs up, okay, even when it is scared, our hair ends, okay, they also rise up because of fear and cold. So why do we yawn? When we are tired, our lungs and rest of the respiratory system slow down until there is too little air in our lungs. Our body then sets off a spasm, okay, that is a quick movement in the muscles of our mouth, throat and chest. This forces us to take a deep breath of air, that is the yawn, to take in more air. Okay, so when we are tired, the energy goes down and our body needs more oxygen, okay, and more air. So that is how we get it through yawning. Why don't our eyelashes grow as long as the hair on our scalp? Any hair on our body grows through the hair follicles. But hair follicles on our scalp are different from the follicles on our skin at places such as our arms, legs, eyebrows and eyelashes. While scalp hair grows continuously, the hair on our eyelashes, eyebrows, etc. grow in cycles for short periods of time. Since they get a shorter period of growth, they do not grow as long as the scalp hair do. Why do whales make sound? Okay, whales make a particular sound and they are the loudest, So different species of whales, they have different sounds that creatures of their own type identify. So that sound is identified by the creatures of their types, okay. Like our sound can be recognized by any human, is it? And also obviously because we talk to the animals, they look at our expressions, they look at the way we speak and then they understand it, okay. So similarly, these whales, they use these sounds to look for other whales to attract and to find mates. Some whales such as humpback whales are known for singing. These sounds also help whales to echolocate or to find direction in the ocean with the help of the echo of the object that bounces back from the ocean floor or other objects. Okay. Now, when you're hungry, okay, or when you have not eaten for some time, don't you feel that your stomach starts growling? So let's know about that. Okay, why does our stomach growl when we are hungry? Our stomach growls when the walls of our stomach squeeze together in an attempt to mix and digest food. But if there is no food there, gases and digestive juices, they splash around in the empty stomach and we hear a growling noise. Sometimes when we are not hungry, our stomach may growl while attempting to digest the food that we have eaten. So these are the two situations when the stomach growls. Why are ladybirds called so? Long ago, these little insects were believed to be a gift from the Lady Virgin Mary, okay, as they helped the farmers by eating small bugs that ruined the crop. These insects were also considered to be a sign of good luck, okay, hence that name is called ladybirds. Why some clouds appear dark in color? Clouds that contain a lot of water droplets, appear dark in color. This happens because such clouds absorb most of the sunlight that passes through them. A very little light is reflected from these clouds, which reaches the eyes of the observer. The lack of reflected light makes these moisture-laden clouds appear dark in color to the observer. Alright, so next time you see very dark clouds, you know the reason behind it. Alright, so I hope children now you know the reason behind all these different things, okay, that we feel, okay, which are a part of our everyday science. Alright, so do reread this and share this information with your family and friends as well.